choked it. All right, going off the bed. Gonna give him a better release. Oh. There he goes. Good one? Well, let me, I'm not stuck. What? Nice.
Oh wow, his mouth is on.
You think he was on the bed?
Yeah, I saw him waking.
Oh.
Pick one?
Yep.
Hold this.
I don't even want to think about having to land a muskie.
While waiting?
Yeah.
With light down, light things.
That's a fish?
Oh yeah. Farther out, I think it's small.
Yeah, it's definitely a smallmouth.
That was farther out. Farther in the middle where those, see those rocks are bigger?
Yeah. Well, that's a good one.
Holy pit. You're good.
Like, almost, that's a 3.
We don't have to get a weight. It's not that big. It's also skinny.
Mm-hmm.
I want a picture though. Wait, do you have your phone?
Yeah.
That
one might have been off a bed. No, I don't know actually, because it doesn't have a beat up tail or anything. You got it unhug. Can you unhug it?
I kind of want to do it after you get a picture, but
Okay, yeah.
just for, almost the line looks really annoying on it.
17s. Probably 17 with the mouth closed. 16. Here, wait. Let me get the schmexy release.
I'm gonna get her going upstream towards your bed, or his.
Here, wait. Can I do an underwater release?
Yeah, I'm still, he's not kicking.
Oh, never mind. You're good. Whatever.
I don't know if I got it. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna wait until he, no, he's not kicking off or anything. I don't wanna let go.
That was a smallmouth.
I don't think that I'm bad set.
He tried to eat a bug. I don't know how big he was.
That big of an explosion for a bug?
Yeah.
So I swear he's just gonna chase, he's gonna follow this right to my feet.
Oh, my toe!
So that happened to me and I was a freaking like a big boy. And then of course, never to be seen again. Oh.
Bah!
He's gonna hook me, I swear to
Oh my gosh, look how fat he is.
Do you think that's the one we saw
Probably.
blow up?
I didn't even know I had him.
I was so confused on what was happening. I didn't realize you had one.
He's obtuse. He's so fat. Oh, let's go. Oh, why do you get the big one?
This one might not.
So,
Holy shit, that's bigger than I thought.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Do you need help? I'm gonna let him go. He's got something else on his back. Like he got snagged.
It's way bigger than I thought.
Oh no, they just got a chunk out of him. Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, that's a little bit too loose. They must be paired.
That one might have been off a bed. Wow!
I'm not
Here,
trying
I'll
to
get him, I'll get him. That's bigger than the last one.
Yeah?
Or at least the same size. No, he's longer. That's close. That's got to be a high 3.
Yeah?
I think it's about the same. It's either the same size or a little bit bigger.
I don't even know what my PB Smallmouth is. Oh, he wasn't coming off. He's hooked twice.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want a tube? I have one left.
No, I'm gonna catch fishing dish. I have toys in my. I have tubes. I don't know what the heck happened there. It's all jacked up.
Beautiful fish though.
I thought he had something on him, but yeah, it still fought hard. Do you want a picture of that one?
No.
Uh-oh.
You want to hold my rod? We go to shore.
Yeah.
Wait, let's measure. Out of curiosity. Look, these guys are... There's nothing. There's nothing in here.
Yeah, it might be. I mean... Yeah, it's 18. Longer than the last one, I told you.
18 and a quarter, 18, whatever.
Yeah, it's gotta be a 3. Easy 3. The last one was like a 2.5. I think she's good. Yeah, she's good. No! I hate to. It's like the same size. That's definitely, I missed one.
Oh, this rock is slippery.
Oh, it's smaller.
Smaller. Is he not picturing?
There's a fish, right?
Fish. Like a 1 3/4.
Is it big?
I can't tell. He's swimming at me now. It's okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, he came off?